5 years after the end of the Peloponnesian War, you had the execution of Socrates, and it just became too much for the state right after the war. So there was a big difference in terms of free speech and a sense of freedom of the population of Athens. And once that happened, and once Peloponnesian War was over and Athens conceded to Spartan victory, that was the end of the kinds of freedoms the Athenians had come to take for granted. Goodbye freedoms that you had before the end of the war, when there was still a sense of a chance, at least for some, of Athens coming out a victor in the Peloponnesian War. And Socrates, throughout the ages, has resounded as the biggest symbol of that. Now, granted, we can read Socrates' defense in Plato's Apology, which depicts Socrates defending himself in court against his accusers for having corrupted the youth in terms of ideas. He goes out of his way to say, unless you, the state, give me permission to keep on doing what I'm doing, then F you. Kill me, I don't give a dish, because then I'm not really even living.